I like to set the mood. My name is Zero. If you could please step up, I have a message for you. It comes from the underworld, but it also comes from the sky. And it finds that place in your heart. We gotta understand what time we live in. We gotta open our eyes.
This is the dawn of a new age. The Milky Way has come to turn the page. This is the time when we must be our own sage. Connection is essential to reach maximum potential. I'm the opposite of confidential. The new time is here. The red road is clear, and there's nothing to fear. I use my heart as my ears. Sacred water are my tears from the celestial. I connect the soul with the gravitational pull of Destiny's love. That's the moon meets the shine from above, giving us her light, giving us the will to fight. Never too late to make things right. This is on the truth, so the land belongs to me and you, and the water and the rivers and the oceans too. A universal right. The time has turned from dark to light. Let your heart shine bright, yo. Gotta wake up. Time is now. See, the medicine comes without even calling it. The spirits are here. Open your mind. Open your heart. My name is Zero. That's my introduction. Alright, so this song right here, I'm dedicating to the corporations that lie to us every day. They tell us that this is food, and that it's safe water to drink, and that they're not spraying us from the skies above. But I don't believe that. Modern day Caesars and murder for control, spraying up the skies with who knows what chemical, falling down like rain, and fluoride to the brain, blinding the sane. Hypnotizing news is how they trick the innocent, keeping them ignorant, rude and belligerent, feeding them fast foods that taste like GMOs and inflates them like a balloon. That's not food, blocking the natural flow of the spirit with overweight bodies, but sometimes it's too much to hear it. It's much easier to fear it. Desperate to connect, so we self-reject. Never taught love, so what do you expect? They manipulate the whole globe, drink their $5,000 suits and I'm a planet rolls. Will the price of food go up? Who knows? Only greedy world bankers and corporate jackals holding us down in economic shackles. Unemployment line and the hunt for money. Do what you gotta do to feed the little tummies waiting at home. The breaking of a spirit to a hard reality. But that inspires me, that I'm connected to the stars above me, and that re-inspires me to see beyond the illusion put in front of me. This is my dream, and I dream to be a human being that loves and respects, because only love affects and waters the flower within. I'm one with the force that makes the world spin. Every single one of us got the great spirit within. Just take some time and listen to the wind.
Make some noise.